I'm Sky from Elsick High School, and welcome to AMP News, where we feature Alief District and Community News. For this episode, we'll have Classroom Spotlight with the IT Security, our CNA HCA Healthcare story, a special interview with the Furry Friend, NASA Solar Eclipse story, musical act with Hillary and Kaylin, and weather with Hastings student MJ. Now on the Classroom Spotlight, let's see what the IT class is doing.
Hi, I'm Paola from Taylor High School. Today for Classroom Spotlight, we have IT Cybersecurity. Let's go check them out.
My name is Eduardo Cantu, and I teach IT, networking, and cybersecurity here at the center. This week, the students are learning web browser attacks and application attacks. We look at the internet, we study on the internet, we get information on the internet, we connect in the internet, we're learning applications on the internet, we're learning web browser attack. They have to understand how the attack works. They have to fundamentally understand what's happening during the attack. They have to recognize the attack before they can actually mitigate and stop the attack. Well, the lesson is giving students an awareness of the attacks that exist out there, not only the hardware attacks like we have here, but also application attacks, web browser attacks. Matter of fact, we had a student that at his place of employment actually stopped a DOS attack. He recognized the attack and was able to stop the attack, mitigate the attack. So it is helping the students.
This class has really built a solid foundation for me. I didn't really know what I wanted to do before high school, but thanks to this program, I've allowed myself to build a passion for this, and it's incredible. It's really incredible. I didn't understand nothing when it came to IT, and then now, going to college, I think I can say I understand the concept of IT.
I feel like this class really provided a solid foundation for me for what I can continue to do in my life. This class allowed me to learn a lot of basic things in networking, cybersecurity, and just physical computers. I'm going to be taking the learning and the solid foundation that these classes provided to college to allow me to really understand and be able to thrive in that environment.
Well, I enjoy seeing the students learn the cybersecurity. It evolves every day, every week, every month, and just to keep up with what's happening in the cyber field is what I enjoy the most. From the year 2022 to 2032, they're projected a 32% growth in the field of cybersecurity. There's a big demand. As a matter of fact, currently there's more job openings than people working in the cybersecurity industry.
The kids really need to know how web applications work, how web browsers work, and how to exploit those vulnerabilities in the web application. I like that IT is always evolving, so every time we teach it, we have to integrate new stuff every day. So cyber attack is when you have vulnerabilities that in a system, a bad guy might come in and they can use the cyber attack to steal data or shut the company's operations down. So we rely on a lot of technology for pretty much everything we do. So whenever there's a cyber attack, the things that they rely on stop working.
And that's it for IT and cybersecurity. I am Paola from Taylor High School. I hope you enjoy it. Until next time with AMP News. Alief Career Center has a number of outstanding programs to help students to get a head start on a career and life. The health science program is considered one of the best in the greater Houston area. One big reason for the success of this program is the HCA Houston Healthcare. This partnership goes back over 15 years. The biggest benefit for the students is
exposure to what we have to offer in healthcare. There are a lot of different job opportunities and career opportunities within the walls of our hospital.
These Alief students say they love the program.
I think it's really cool. I never thought I would be able to shadow nurses as a 16-year-old in high school. I thought that was something that just sticks for colleges, and it was really interesting to me.
It's out of this world. It's genuinely an opportunity that a lot of students don't see, and I'm blessed to be in Alief. I'm blessed to be in LSIC to give me this opportunity, because now I have a sense of a feeling of what department I'm interested in and what department I'm not.
The hospital is located directly across the street from the Career Center. This makes it easy for the students to get exposure to the number of departments and jobs available in the medical field.
Once you get into an actual situation and you see where these things that I have read about are actually happening in the real world, it reinforces and really cements for people the different things that we do and why we do them.
The students say that they have a better understanding of the medical industry and their place in it. Brice So from Elsick High School says she now wants to work in the ICU.
I think those patients require the most care, and I think I would want to build a bond with them that's healthy. I want to show them a better life under my care so they can live on and they can tell their stories to probably their kids and be like, oh, I had a nurse who treated me well, who took care of me.
Kaylin says she feels this program will give her a big advantage over other students when she gets to college.
Yes, I think you do get an advantage when you're entering college because normally you don't get shadowing experience until you're around a junior in college. So I think getting to be firsthand in the hospital, it's different. You know, you come in with knowledge that most other people don't have.
And what's the hope for the future of this partnership?
A continued partnership with the school district, between the school district and the hospital, so that we can expose as many people as possible to the things that we have to offer.
For AMP News, I'm Paola. Hi, I'm Paola from Taylor High School. Today we're going to be at Vet Science. We have two Dalmatians, Hazel and Domino. Let's go check them out.
I'm here with Domino, and he is a male. He likes to really get rubbed on and like touched, unlike the other one. Their favorite toys are the green ball, the tennis ball. Whenever you take care of them, I guess you could say like the strength of the dog and having to like make sure that they're calm, and if they're really playful, you get them at the right time. They like treats, obviously, and they're very well trained.
These are Dalmatians. We have a male and a female. This is Domino, and then that's Hazel. Their favorite thing to eat, they are on a pretty lean diet because they're both trying to watch their weight right now, so they just kind of eat regular lean dog food. Fun things that they like to do, they like to play with each other. They're not litter mates, but they're also not a breeding pair either, so they're just kind of like both each other's companions, so they like to hang out together, even though they live at two different households. What types of toys do they like? They like playing with rubber balls or Kongs and things like that. Some precautions to keep in mind when you're working with these two particular dogs is they don't get along very well with smaller dogs. They think that they're toys, and that could be kind of dangerous. So we make sure to keep them only with dogs that are their own size so that no one gets hurt.
And that's it for Pet of the Week. Join us again next time with another furry friend. I am Paola from Taylor High School, and this is AMP News.
But I first got to NASA in 1985.
Today, the Alief Career and Tech Center has a special guest. NASA astronaut Mike Baker stopped by to share his story with students and faculty.
Soviet Union, they flew long-duration missions.
Students say they learned a lot from Mr. Baker. One student said they learned more about America and Russia's space relationship.
I learned that Russia and the United States, they work together in the space program, that despite all the bad relations that they have, the space program is the one good thing.
Students also say they got an inspirational message about life and careers.
I learned that the space industry is getting a little more diverse with women and people of my color.
Do something that you love as far as a career. You know, you only have one life, and something that Michael Baker taught us was that, you know, he was very excited to go to work, and so to be able to be an astronaut and to go to space and do that as something that you're really passionate about was very inspiring.
What I also learned today was that he values the Earth much more differently since he was actually able to sit there in the astronaut and look at it at a different spot.
He also talked to students about the upcoming eclipse. It happens this coming Monday and won't happen again for another 20 years.
The first thing is, of course, that you need to be safe. Don't look directly at the solar eclipse because it can cause you to go blind. And it's very serious, so do not even attempt to look at it unless you have special glasses, and they have to be special glasses, it can't be just sunglasses.
Students here say they're looking forward to witnessing this rare solar event.
I'm probably gonna get a permission slip and watch it at the school.
My plans for the eclipse would be to watch it and also protect my eyes while I watch what's going on in the sky.
So, if you plan on watching the eclipse this coming Monday, make sure to use protective glasses specifically for eclipse. We'd also like to thank astronaut Michael Baker for coming and talking to our staff and students. I'm Sky reporting for AMP News.
And now for our musical act with Taylor graduates Hillary and Kaylin singing Roar by Katy Perry. This video was recorded back in 2015. Enjoy.
I got the eye of a tiger, the fire, dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion and you're gonna hear me roar.
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess, so I said quietly, agreed politely.
I guess that I forgot I had a choice, that you pushed me past the breaking point, so I stood for nothing, but I fell for everything.
You held me down, but I got up, hey, already brushing off the dust. You hear that voice, you hear that sound, like thunder gonna shake the ground.
You had me down, but I gotta get ready, 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. Got the eye of a tiger, the fire, dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion, 'cause I am a champion and you're gonna hear me roar.
Oh, 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 oh. Now I'm floating like a butterfly, stinging like a bee. I've earned my stripes. I went from zero to my own hero.
You held me down, but I gotta get ready, 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. Got the eye of a tiger, the fire, dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion, 'cause I am a champion and you're gonna hear me roar.
Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, and you're gonna hear me roar.
Hi, my name is MJ from Hastings High School, here with your Alief weekend weather forecast. For today, we're going to have a high of 87 and then a low of 63. It's going to be sunny with a 6% chance of rain. Going on to Saturday, it's going to be a high of 83 and then a low of 68 with an 8% chance of rain, and it's still going to be sunny throughout. Going on to Sunday, though, it's going to be thunderstormy with a high of 82 and a low of 68 with a 54% chance of rain. Well, that's all for this week's Alief weekend weather forecast. I'm MJ from Hastings High School. See you next time.
That's all for our news this week. Be sure to join us again for the next episode. And remember, Steve Jobs said, your time is limited, so don't waste it by living in someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Only you can make it happen. I'm Jacob from Elsick High School. Have a great day. See you next time.
That's it for... And that's all for AMP Pod. I thought about it too much. AP News. Today we have two dominoes. Oh my God. Dominoes. And that's it for Pet of the Week. I am Paola from Taylor High. Wait, no, I don't like that. Hold on. And that's it. Wait. And that's all for. Oh no, that's too much.
So remember, if you plan on sorry. If you plan on sorry, I don't like that. If you sorry. If you plan on watching the eclipse this following Monday, sorry, I forgot.
This has been an AMP production.